Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 1 Module 1 Topic C. So this topic we'll be learning more and practicing more about counting on and also learning some more vocabulary terms. So let's get started. Okay, this is lesson 13. This is the explanation part. So number 1, count on. 5 bees are in the hive. 3 more bees fly into the hive. How many bees are in the hive now? So it doesn't show, but we know inside right now there are a total of 5 bees. We want to find out how many total bees there are together. So if 3 more come, that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 bees are in the hive right now. So we just solved that by counting on from 5 to find out the total number of bees. Alright, so number 2, count the parts and the total. So fill in the parts and the total. So the total is 6 flowers, but we can part it. So there are 4 blue flowers and 2 white flowers. So it's saying 6 is 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 makes 6. 6 equals 4 plus 2. Alright, pretty simple. Let's try lesson 13 now. Okay, this is number 1. Count on. 4 squirrels are in the tree. 3 more squirrels run up the tree. How many squirrels are in the tree now? So this is 4. And we count on. We get 4, 5, 6, 7 squirrels. Alright, now we're back to bees. 6 bees are in the hive. 4 more bees fly into the hive. How many bees are in the hive now? So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 bees in the hive. Alright, and now number 2, count the parts and the total. Alright, so the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 birds, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brown birds, and 1, 2, 3 white birds. So 8 is 5 and 3. 8 equals 5 plus 3. Alright, and that's it for lesson 13. Let's move on to lesson 14. Alright, number 1, add. Count on with your fingers. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So over here they said they hold up a fist to represent the 4. And they added on, so they counted on 2 more with fingers. So this is, think that this is 4. So 4 and then plus 2. 4, 5, 6. So we added 2 more fingers to the 4 to get 6. So now number 2 says add, count on with the number path. So we have 6 plus 4 equals 10. They started at 6 and they counted 1, 2, 3, 4 and landed on 10. So 10 is our total. Okay, so now let's start lesson 14. Number 1, add, count on with your fingers. So 5 plus 3. We'll do what they did. We'll pretend the fist is 5. So this is a group of 5. And we add on plus 3 with our fingers. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, and now 4 plus 3. We're going to think this is a group of 4 and add on 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Alright, and now number 2, add, count on with the number path. So 7 plus 2, we're going to start at 7 and do 2 hops for 2. This is plus 1, plus 2. So that leaves us at 9, which means 7 plus 2 equals 9. Alright, and now 3 plus 6, start at 3, and do 6 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that means 3 plus 6 equals 9. And now 8 plus 2, start at 8. 1, 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Alright, pretty simple. That's it for lesson 14. Now we have lesson 15. So lesson 15, circle the larger part, count on, fill in the number bond. Okay, so the larger part, we have 4 plus 2. 4 is bigger than 2, so we circle 4. So we count on from 4, we add 1, 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. And if they flipped it backwards, 2 plus 4, 4 is still the larger part, so that's why it's circled. And it's still going to be the same sum because it's still the same numbers, even though the order is reversed. And remember, if you guys don't know, sum means the answer to an addition problem. So every time you add something, your answer is going to be called the sum. And it's different for other types of problems too. Like if you're doing subtraction, the answer will be the difference. And multiplication, it will be product, and division, it will be quotient. But you'll learn that later on. But right now, it's important to know sum is addition. And they did it, and they filled in the number bond. 2 and 4 make 6. So 6 is 2 and 4. Okay. And now number 2, circle 10. So they counted 10 acorns, and they circled it. Now this is fill in the part. So 10 ones plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So that's how they got it. They just separated it. They just pulled out the 10 and added the remaining. Okay, so now let's start. This is lesson 15. Number 1, circle the larger part. Count on. Fill in the number bond. Okay, so 5 plus 3. 5 is greater than 3, so 5 is the larger part. So let's count on. We start at 5 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3. We land at 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now 3 plus 5, the order is switched, but 5 is still the greatest part. So the sum, the answer will still be the same even though the order is switched because it's still the same numbers. So 8 is our total, and 5 and 3 make 8. Alright, pretty simple. Now 7 plus 2, 2 plus 7. 7 is greater than 2, so I can circle that for both of them. And we don't need to draw on it because it would be messy, but we can just think 7 and then plus 2, so 8, 9. Land on 9, so 7 plus 2 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 9 is our total. 7 and 2 make 9. Alright, next over here, we have 2 plus 8. 8 is greater. So we start at 8 and plus 2. 1, 2, we land on 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 10 is our total, and 2 and 8 make 10. Alright, next page. Circle 10, number 2. So we count 10 sunflowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a group of 10. So 10 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So we just pull 10 out and add, and now we separate it into 10 ones and 8 ones. All right, now lesson 16. Circle the larger part. Count on with your fingers or the number path. All right, so here we have 8 plus 5. 8 is the larger part, so we circled 8. And you can either use your fingers or a number path, but I'm going to use the number path. We start at 8, and then count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They land on 13, like down here. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 8 is still the larger number, and the sum is still going to be the same because the numbers remain the same, but the order is just switched. Alright, next page. This is lesson 16. Circle the larger part, count on with your fingers or the number path. 10 plus 3. 10 is the greatest number. 3 plus 10, 10 is the greater number. So we start at 10 and add on 3. 1, 2, 3. We land on 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. 3 plus 10 equals 13. Now 2 plus 10, 10 is greater than 2. And 10 plus 2, 10 is greater. And also we know these numbers are greater because for 10 and 2, 10 is right here, 2 is right here. 10 is further to the right of the number path than 2, so we know 10 is greater. So like when you're doing a number line, the numbers that are more to the right are always greater than the numbers to the left. So 1 and like let's say 7. 7 is greater than 1 because 7 is further to the right on the number path than 1. However, if you look at like 12 and 7, 12 is greater than 7 because 12 is further to the right of the number line. So that's just how it works. But 2 plus 10, 10 plus 2, 1, 2, we land on 12. So our answer is 12. Alright. Next, we have 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4. 8 is the greatest one. And we can start at 4 and count to 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We land on 12, so 12 is our sum. Alright, now 9 plus 6. 9 is the greater number. If we go 9 and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we land on 15. So 15 is our sum. Alright, next page. So that's it. We have lesson 17. Number 1, add. Okay, so 7 plus 1. So if you just add 1 to the number, you get the next number on. So it's just like counting on. After 7 comes 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Now 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1, just add on 1. So the number that comes after 6, that'd be 7. Now 12 plus 0, whenever you're adding 0 to a number, nothing changes. So the number remains the same. So 12 becomes 12 again. And 0 plus 9, nothing happens, so 9 is still 9. Alright, next page. Number 2. 10 muffins are in the box. 3 muffins are out of the box. How many muffins are there in all? We know this is 10. So they did a number bond. This is 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 muffins in all. 10 in the box plus 3 out of the box. 10 and 3 make 13. Alright, so lesson 17. Number 1, add. So 5 plus 1 is just like counting on. 5, what comes after 5? 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 0, remember what happens when you're adding 0, nothing changes. So 6 remains the same. Now 9 plus 1, number that comes after 9 is 10, so 9 plus 1 equals 10. 7 plus 0, 7 remains the same. 0 plus 8, 8 remains the same. 4 plus 1, the number that comes after 4 is 5, so 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9 is 10. And 0 plus 14, nothing happens, so 14 remains 14. Alright, so pretty simple. Next page. Number 2, 10 apples are in a tree. 4 apples are in a basket. How many apples are there in all? So 10 in the tree, 4 in the basket. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is our total. There are 14 apples in all. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!